I had only one escape to freedom, and that was by playing games. I worked out in 5 years, which the 3 years between the fast end carried the bulk. I played about 12,000, well, I have the stats. I played 12,220 hours at least of games. I spent most of that time in one specific game. On top of that, don't forget that I sit at my desk for 8 hours during my day job. All of this together, as someone I know described it, it is maximum destruction at 0 kilometers an hour. I don't think anyone can imagine the devastation of the overuse of an office chair.